but you can call me Dolores. I'm back again with another video. You read the title, you saw the thumbnail. Now to let you know what video I'm going to be filming today. And today's video, I am going to be acting ratchet. I'm whispering right now because my sister's over there acting ratchet to see how my sister and my mom reacts. So I seen this little trend going around. I see people doing the significant other or their friend. Never seen anyone do it with their mom and sister at the same time. So today I'm going to be giving you guys that content. So before we get into the video, make sure you like, comment down below what other videos you would like to see, and follow all my social medias to stay connected with me. Sorry, I just woke up. So basically we are going to Manhattan. I have not been there in a long time, and we're just gonna go there to the Apple store to fix my mom's phone or some other stuff, you know. And since I haven't been there, I've been acting like that or whatever. So basically I'm gonna be doing my edges back, and I know I got some pimples here, don't mind that, you know. So I got some equal styling gel and I got toothbrush. I'm just basically gonna do my edges back. This is actually good because I don't know how to do my edges. So we're just gonna be doing them back. Like, I don't even know how to do my edges, so it's not gonna look really like that. But I'm really scared. But I'm also happy doing this video. So y'all better like this video and comment right now if you think it's gonna turn out good, because I'm scared because I think my mom's gonna not let me go out, because if she sees me looking like a witch, she is not gonna let me go outside. I'm gonna be right back because I forgot to grab something for this video, so let's be back. My stuff, so I got some earrings, a pack of gum, and this gold stuff. I'm gonna be chewing the gum loud. I'm like, so we're gonna be doing the edges. They kind of look good, but it's like a lot of gel on my forehead and stuff. Yes, hunty. But I'm actually going out like this, but if the pen goes too far, then I'm gonna end it, or something happens, I'm just gonna end it then. But I'm doing this for y'all. So the next thing, I'm gonna do my eyebrows black. And watch doing my makeup for the first time video. Anyway, don't mind the background. I don't know what that is. People playing basketball, something like that. And it's currently 9:08 a.m. and our appointment is at 11, like our Apple appointment. So yeah, I can't find the thing that comes with. We're just gonna use this stuff, but I'm not gonna put too much on it, of course, cause yeah, I just put like a little dab of it. Yeah, and I'm gonna just brush on my eyebrows like really bad. I don't know what to brush it with. I don't have an eyebrow brush. Like that. I'm gonna make them bushy. You know, I'm a little dirty. I'm gonna fix them when I end the prank. I'm gonna fix everything. That's basically it. This is not it. I'm missing something. I'm gonna have this on my lip, even though I'm gonna be wearing a mask. You know, I'm gonna be putting this, and I'm gonna put my mask on. I'm gonna take this with me. No, I have Vaseline. I'm gonna take instead of this. And I'm just gonna be, I'm like, what are you doing? Because you're wearing a mask, basically. And I'm gonna translate everything my mom's saying. I'm just gonna translate everything she's saying. So I just know this is gonna take a long time to edit. So yeah, I'm done, and I'm just gonna be putting on my hoop earrings. So I got these hoop earrings. I'm gonna put them on top of my hoop earrings, and we're gonna see. My eyebrows look so bushy and ugly, and then I got pimples. Yeah, we're gonna open this. These like hope earrings, they're like jumbled. The last time I lost them, so hopefully I don't lose them because I'm gonna be in really big trouble. And y'all gonna see me get in trouble. So this is like a kind of a non-editing. It's a non-cutting. I don't know if I'm doing that. If I'm cutting things out, but we'll see how it turns out. And you'll see if I cut something out. You'll probably tell, probably not, but yeah. Period. She probably not gonna wanna go outside with me because of this. And we're gonna see my sister's reaction. I'm scared. 𝚘𝚘𝚗𝑝𝑒𝑟𝑒. I don't know how I'm act. I'm like, ew, I don't know. But I'm gonna be chewing gum because I didn't eat breakfast and we're about to head out. So be chewing back up. So I'm gonna get out I'm not gonna be staying in my room until we leave. Cause if I go before, they're gonna tell me to change this stuff. And they're not gonna wanna be late. They're probably gonna leave me here. But oh well, I'm gonna answer y'all. But I don't know how I'm gonna sound. I'm probably gonna sound like this. Basically, I'm like, hey, we in thank you. We in Manhattan, guys. That's what I'm gonna be like. But I'm gonna put mad, like, at least not a lot, not too much, but to the max, you know. And these like gold things. I have seashells, but it's like I don't know how to like open it. Whatever. I would put seashells though. I'm gonna try though. This for y'all and y'all only, like entertainment purposes only. I would not be just like this and y'all. But I feel like the braids complete the look. You set up, comment down below how you feeling it. If you don't feel it, yeah, because I'm gonna be having different like locations in my videos to really see how y'all feel about it. Yeah, my eyebrows are so bushy. Oh my gosh, this don't even look bad. It look cute or whatever, but that just kind of look cute, and it's not supposed to look cute. We're gonna go like this. That kind of. It's not supposed to look cute. Kind of looks cute. Nah, it will not look cute. Oh my gosh. Pimples. Whenever I film, like, pimples have to show up. Like, come on now. You were not here before. So yeah, that's that. I cannot open this stuff. Sorry y'all. If y'all really want me to put it. Now I'm gonna see my mom's reaction and I'm scared. Let's go. Hi! Hi! Thank you. From your room. No. You don't like them? Why? I feel like they're cute. She said she don't like my earrings off camera, but she's jealous of my earrings. They're so they're cute. And my hair is so cute too. And my eyebrows, you didn't notice my eyebrows? I put some black. It's not gonna get lost. It's cute. No chewing gum. Vlogging, you guys were being so mean. That's so rude. I'm vlogging. Manhattan. Here, poop. And this is how it looks. It's very pretty. I got my earrings. They mad because they don't got my earrings or my hair or my eyebrows because it's on fleek, the outfit. Yeah, people looking at me like they have never seen me before. Here, and double earrings. They didn't even pay attention to me, so yeah. So the thing, my head a little itchy or whatever.
I filmed them out before.
I'm in Manhattan. Look at them. They're so short. The pair. I got some hand sanitizer. So they're skipping in front of me like who they think they is. Right? This is Manhattan, my town. Ooh. Yeah. Oh. They call me Delores Anna. Oh. You're probably annoyed by that. You don't want to see them bad? They're right there. Ooh, your hair's so pretty. I got some bubblegum. Tastes so good. Stop what? I'm not even doing anything. Vlogging is my vlog, it's not your vlog. She's really doing something like she doesn't let me vlog. It's like my vlog. Who are you gonna tell me to stop vlogging? That's 𝚘𝚗𝚝𝐵, by the way. This is the one you see on her channel. She's not actually like that. See, this is the real her. And this is my mom. Wow! I'm chewing gum. How am I supposed to talk loud? I'm wearing a mask and I'm chewing gum. The way you talk to us. Okay. YouTube. This is going on YouTube, man. It's being really real. Like, I could vlog however I want. Hi. This is Skater Boy. And yeah. People are jogging.
These buttons are only $20.
No, thank you.
Around the park with the friends.
Okay.
It's just right.
I fell. And this prank is all over. Why did I say that? Hopefully they didn't hear me. Well, alright, y'all, we're almost there, so this is about to be the end of the video. And they keep on talking. Like, they keep on talking over me like I'm not here. Like, hello, it's the Lord Sana right here. Okay. 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 So yeah. Say hi to my vlog. Wow. Hi. Yeah. And this is actually going on YouTube stuff. I just need to cut out some parts. Ooh, sun kiss in Manhattan. I'm walking in Manhattan. I'm in Manhattan. I'm gonna go to the Apple store in Manhattan. Like, look at all these buildings. It's so pretty. Storage space, come on. But let me know, y'all, if next time I come here, y'all want to vlog. Cause it's like, look at the buildings. another vlog. So, look at everything I'm showing you guys. So this is my sister's outfit. How do you feel about my outfit? It's cute, right? Like my eyebrows are cute, my earrings are cute, everything on fleek. I got 4 braids.
You do this and then you complain that your phone has no storage.
Okay. More storage space to film for y'all. So if y'all don't be seeing a lot of live videos, it's because of her. She wanna be buying me a new phone. She wanna buy me more stuff. So it's not my fault, y'all. It's her fault. That's why I be filming on my iPad. I got like a lot of good stuff. So I don't know, y'all. We might ride the horses. I don't know. I'm probably gonna record an insert clip. But yeah, that's that. We're heading to Apple Store. So guys, this was a prank. How do you feel? I was pranking you guys. I was acting ratchet to see your reaction. How do you feel, guys? She's mad. But this concludes the video. If you enjoyed, make sure you like, comment down below what other videos you'd like to see. Subscribe to my channel and subscribe to her channel, 𝚘𝚘𝚝. Acting ratchet. To see my mom and sister's reaction. Delores signing out. Peace. No, I said I was gonna. Oh, I keep on falling. I know I said I was gonna end the vlog. Look at this. Oh my gosh, it's so pretty.